Hi guys, today I am going to show you how to tie a large Deco Mesh bow. Now this is the 10-inch Deco Mesh. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you can just drop the Deco Mesh to the floor and you're just going to gather your Deco Mesh together in your hand like this, and then you're going to kind of roll the outer edges of your Deco Mesh inward and you're going to make a loop. And just keep it pinched just like this. Same steps, roll the outer edges inward, make another loop about the same size as your first loop, then just keep making loops and kind of check to make sure they're the same size as your first loop. So just slide your hand down it, make a loop, check to make sure that it's about the same size as your other loops, and you can make this as big as you want. I'm going to do one more loop on each side, so that'll be a triple bow. Okay, and then you're going to want to have some floral wire and your scissors close by. So I'm just going to cut mine off. Now I'm not going to add tails right now, but I will tell you how to add tails. Sorry, it's kind of hard for me to see what I'm doing standing up. Okay, so I'm just going to let that drop. Now I'm going to take a piece of floral wire and I'm just going to take the floral wire and wrap it tightly around the center of the bow. So make sure you get that wire nice and tight. And you're going to use this wire to attach it to your Christmas tree. Now you'll want to fluff your loops, and you don't have to do a lot of fluffing when you use the 10-inch Deco Mesh. You could use the 21-inch if you want a fuller bow. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now if you want streamers or tails to hang down your Christmas tree, what you're going to want to do is measure some long pieces of your Deco Mesh, find the center of the Deco Mesh, just take the pieces, twist it into the wire, and then you have your tails hanging down. So I hope that helps. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share. I just hung it up on my mantle so you could kind of see how it looks. I already have my trees decorated, so I'm not going to be adding this one to my Christmas tree, but I had a request for a big, large Deco Mesh bow, so I hope you like it. Thank you guys.